Today we're going to be looking at some word problems and choosing an equation that's going to help us solve the problem. So some things we need to review just before we do that is some of our vocabulary. And this is a review from last year. When we're looking for the sum of two numbers, we're using addition. When we're trying to find the difference of two numbers, we're using subtraction. When we find the product of numbers, we're using multiplication. And when we find the quotient, we're using division. Okay, so those are vocabulary words that will come up often as we go through word problems. So here on the page for today, we're going to do a few problems together, and then you're going to finish the page up on your own. Okay, so this is in our Home Connections book, page 27. Josie was planning a party. She drew a sketch of how she wanted to set up the chairs and the tables. Which equation best represents the number of chairs she sketched? So I have 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 times 4 equals 24. 42 minus 4 equals 20. And 6 times 6 equals 36. My question here is which equation best represents the number of chairs that she sketched. So I'm trying to find an equation that's going to help me figure out the number of chairs that Josie has. So here I have the picture she drew. Each line is one chair and each square is one table. So it looks like she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables, and each table has 4 chairs. So I need to find which of these equations is going to help me figure out if I have 4 chairs at each of the 6 tables, how many that's going to be. Well, the first equation is 4 plus 6. Well, I know I have 4 chairs at each table and I have 6 tables. 4 plus 6 is 10. The problem with this equation is I have 4 chairs and I have 6 tables. I can't add chairs and tables together to find out how many chairs I have. So I cannot use addition to solve this problem. I can't add 4 chairs plus 6 tables to find out that there's 10 chairs. No, it's not 10 chairs, it's just 10 items. So we can't use this one. Okay, the next one I see does have 6 times 4 equals 24. And let's see, I have 6 tables of 4 chairs. Remember we said before that the times also you can use the word up. I have 6 tables of 4 chairs. And if I were to count them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I do have 24 chairs. I have 6 tables of 4 chairs each, which gives me 24 chairs. So this obviously right here is the answer, but we are going to take a look at the other answers as well. This is 42 minus 4 equals 20. There's a couple things wrong with this. First, I don't know where they got the number 42 from. And 42 take away 4 is not 20, so we know that can't be the answer either. Then we have 6 times 6 equals 36. Well, I have 6 tables, but there's 4 chairs at each table, not 6 chairs, so this can't be the answer either. Take a look at number 2. There were 24 kids at Josie's party, including her, and each of them ate 3 pieces of pizza. Which expression shows how many pieces of pizza they ate in all? Well, I'm going to find my question. So which expression shows how many pieces of pizza they ate in all? So in here, I know I'm looking for how many they ate all together, in all. So I know in all usually means I'm combining things. It usually tells me I'm looking for a larger number. I have to decide though if I'm going to be adding here or if we're going to be multiplying. Adding and multiplying both get us a bigger answer. So let's look at the rest of the problem. There were 24 kids at the party and each of them ate 3 pieces of pizza. So I'm going to just box out this word each. Each child ate 3 pieces of pizza. So one kid ate 3 pieces, the next one 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 ate 3 pieces, and so on and so on. So it means I'm going to have 3 pieces of pizza for every kid. So if I try to do 3 plus 4, again, that would be me doing 3 pieces of pizza added to 24 children. Well, I'm not going to add pizza and children together, just as I wouldn't take 3 pieces of pizza away from 24 children. So I have to decide, let's see, I can have 24 kids and I divide them into 3 groups. Well, that's not what I'm doing here. Every kid is having 3 of something, and that is what multiplication is. Every one of these 24 children is getting 3 pieces of pizza. So for every child, they have 3 pieces. There's 24 kids at the party. Each of them gets 3 pieces of pizza. So this is our answer, 24 times 3. At the end of the party, the kids broke open the piñata. When they scrambled for the candy, Gabe got 5 pieces. Maria got 3 times as many pieces as Gabe. Which of the numbers describes below shows how many pieces of candy Maria got? So we're looking to see how many pieces of candy Maria got. So let's go back in here. We see, well, here's Maria. Maria got 3 times as many as Gabe. She didn't get 3 pieces. She got 3 times as many as Gabe got. So we have to go back and look and see what Gabe has. Gabe had 5 pieces, and Maria had 3 times as many as Gabe. So she had 3 times more than Gabe had. So again, I got to go back to my vocabulary here. Am I looking for the sum of 5 and 3, the difference of 5 and 3, the product of 5 and 3, or the quotient of 5 and 3? If you said the product, you are correct. 3 times as many means we're going to be multiplying, and the answer in a multiplication problem is the product. One last example. Josie had 5 gallons of fruit punch. This table shows how many cups there are in different numbers of gallons. So in 1 gallon, there are 16 cups. In 2 gallons, there are 32 cups. In 3 gallons, there are 48 cups. We want to know how many there are in 5 gallons. What would I need to do to figure out how many that is? Would I add 16 to 5? Would I multiply 5 by 16? Would I divide 16 by 5? Or would I subtract 5 from 16? As you can see in my ratio table here, 1 gallon has 16 cups. I'm looking to find out, well, 5 gallon has how many cups? I'm not going to, again, we're not going to add cups to gallons. I can multiply 5 gallons times 16 cups in every gallon. If I divided the cups, I can't divide 16 cups by 5 gallons, and I cannot subtract 5 gallons from 16 cups. So I'm going to be multiplying, because when we do our ratio table, we multiply to get from one to the next. So 5 times 16 is going to tell me how many cups are in 5 gallons. All right, on your page here, I'm going to have you find those same answers that we did, and then you're going to use those same strategies on the back or on the second page of your home connection worksheet. All right, thank you.